Primula japonica, Miller's Crimson. Pretty bulletproof. Give it a 9. Spreads and self-seeds so it controls the weeds. 7 out of 10. Like semi-shade, to be honest. 7 out of 10. Nothing really, just enjoy it. 10 out of 10. No real pests and diseases, so 10 out of 10. Primula Plants score, 43 out of 50. Follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Primula Capitana Murrayana, hardy perennial, it's a 10 out of 10. Bees do like the flowers when they come out, 9 out of 10. Does like full or part shade, 8 out of 10. Every few years you split them, keeps the growth nice and fresh, 8 out of 10. Slugs as usual, 9 out of 10. Primula Plants score, 44 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. This is the Primula japonica alba, hardy perennial, call it a 10 out of 10. Insects love the flowers when they come out, 10 out of 10. It's partial to a bit of shade, loves the woodland garden, 9 out of 10. It's pretty much take care of itself time. Self-seeds, spreads beautifully, 10 out of 10. Doesn't have any nasties, call it 10 out of 10. Primula Plants score, 49 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Primula chungensis, it's a candelabra, beautiful hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Flying creatures in its environment, love the flowers, 10 out of 10. Like shade, with a little bit of a soggy bottom, although well drained, 9 out of 10. Plant them, leave them, they self-seed, they spread. You might want to split them every now and again. Either way, 10 out of 10. Not many pests for these, 10 out of 10. Primula Plant score, 49 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. The lovely Primula pulverulenta. That's easy for me to say, I know. It's another candelabra, hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Flying creatures when it flowers, love them, 10 out of 10. Shade, little bit of a dampy bottom, 10 out of 10. Plant them, they spread, they multiply through self-seeding. Great plant, 10 out of 10. Not many pests like these, 10 out of 10. Primula Plant score, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Primula beesiana, hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Flying creatures do love the flowers on this lovely candelabra primula, 10 out of 10. Shade, a little bit of a moist soil, 10 out of 10. Plant them, they multiply, they spread through self-seeding. Great plant, 10 out of 10. There aren't many pests for these, 10 out of 10. Primula Plant score, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I am Plantalicious. Primula bulliana, another candelabra primula, hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Flying creatures love the flowers on this one, 9 out of 10. Shade, little bit of dampness in the soil, 9 out of 10. Plant them, they'll spread themselves, and they'll also self-seed, and it forms a wonderful patch, 10 out of 10. There aren't many pests for these. Great plant, 10 out of 10. Primula Plant score, 49 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I am Plantalicious.